Okay, this is a before shot. We're going to eat some spaghetti. Okay? Mama going to put on some stinky cheese. Stinky cheese. Cheese. Mama's going to give you a spoon. Okay, and Mama's going to give you a fork. And Mama's going to give you a bowl of spaghetti. Okay, this way, baby, this way. Here, see? Eat it, see? Like that. Okay? You got it? You gonna eat? You gonna eat? Yeah, good job. Eat. Eat. You need some help? Come on, Mama help you. Here, Mama help you. Come here. Go like this. Go like that. Eat. Eat. Yay! Yay! Okay, you want Mama to help you with the fork? Here, go like that. Mama, hold the fork. You got the spoon, okay? Uh-oh. Good job. Eat. James, eat. You need help? You need some help? Okay, here. Get your spoon. Go like that. Like that. Ooh, and go. Yay! Go with the spoon like that. And go like that. Bite. Yay! Okay. Take a spoon like that. Yay! Good job! Okay, now you do it. You do it. Yay! That works too. Okay, you need some help? You need some help? We go. That. Yay! Yay! Go like that. Ooh, big bite. Big bite. Yeah. Your turn. Is that good? So, spaghetti. Uh-oh. Okay. Spoon. Come on, with the spoon. Go. Like that. Go. Mmm. Yay. Go with the spoon. Okay, now you feed it. Eat. Eat. James, is that good? Mmm. No, no! Okay. You can put it back in the bowl. Okay, let's move the bowl over here. Eat. Okay, give Mama the bowl. Thank you. You take the spoon. Now eat. Eat with the spoon. Hey, stop throwing it on the floor. James, no. Eat with the spoon. Buddy, go get the spaghetti. Go get it, buddy. Come here. Get the spaghetti. Come on. Go. There's our vacuum cleaner. Does somebody need a bath? I think somebody needs a bath. Eat with the spoon, baby. With the spoon. Yeah, with the spoon. Good job. Yay! Uh-oh. Do you need some help? Here. Come on. Mama help you. Here. Go. Here. Go. There's a spoon. Yeah. Okay. Mama gonna help you, okay? James? Hey, Toot Toot. Hey, Stinker. Quit throwing the spaghetti on the floor. Is that good? Is that mmm? Mmm. Mmm.